Hello subscriber and viewer, now we are in the next tutorial of the custom toast, and I just tell you just go through my previous tutorial for referring custom toast basics. Okay, in the previous tutorial I have mentioned what exactly custom toast and what is the use of custom toast. So in this tutorial we will practically implement the custom toast. So here we are in the activity main.xml. Here I am dropping one button and this is my custom layout. So now I am going into XML, and here first thing is I should change its default text. So that is my custom toast. This is the default text, and this is the change text, and its size is that text size I am changing. Text size is 25 sp. So after doing this, I am going into design portion, setting its proper side, clicking here so that in output it will come in this position only. Then after that, my next step is here in this program what should happen. If I click here, that custom toast will appear, so I should add separate layout. So for that I should go in the here in resource layout folder is there. You just right click and select new option, and here you have to check resource here XML option. In XML there is a layout XML file. Here you can change the name. I am writing custom and click on finish. So that new layout is generated. This is my layout. By default it's linear layout because it is good for the custom toast. So this is ready now. Then after this, the next step is I should do the designing for the custom toast. So for that I first add text view component. So this is my text view component, and after that I should add image view. Before adding this, it is better if you copy the image. So I have already created image, just copy that, go in Android, and here you have to paste it in drawable folder that is present in resource. You just paste it, just click on OK. You can change its name. I am keeping same. So this is my image. Okay, then after that here you have to add image view component. So that is present in common component. Just drop it here. After dropping, you will get the new screen, new dialog box. So here you have to select drawable. By default it is already selected, and then you have to click on project, and here you should add. You just double click there, the image will appear here. Then for here you can go in the XML file, and here I don't want this text, so I want to change. So that is something wrong, means whatever the changes that you want, that you can set it from your side. And text size I want different. Android text size 25 sp. So this portion is completed. Here I don't want any changes. I just want to set color for its background so it will look good. Android starts with hash. Here the color is coming black, so I should change into, I want this one, this is good, choose. So now this color is okay. After that, the important thing is you have to set ID also. Okay, the ID you should set Android ID is custom one. Okay, so that XML coding part is over. Now I am going in main.xml. When I click here, that layout should come here. So ultimately that coding I should write inside the custom toast. So for that I am adding onClick method. This is the easiest way of doing event handling. That's it. So this method I should define where main activity dot java. So here I should write now. Here this area is important, and here you have to specify the coding for custom toes. So here I am writing layout inflator object that you have to create. Get layout inflator. By using this you can access that custom XML file. In the next line you should write view object. Here you should create its object. That object is suppose layout. Here light dot inflate you should write, and after doing this here you have to specify r dot id dot id dot here you should here r dot here it should be layout r dot layout dot custom. Okay, because in this first parameter you should specify which file you want, which layout file you want, so it should be r dot layout dot custom. Okay, then after doing this you should write here find view by id r dot id dot custom 1. This id we had already specified, and as this is the integer value you have to do casting with the respective class view group, and here at the end you should give the semicolon. So once again I repeat this. After creating its object, first thing is first parameter represent that you have to access the layout file. Second parameter just you have to specify the id of that XML file. After this you have to create simply toast object. This part is very simple. Here I am passing this parameter. You can write activity name if you want. This is the easiest parameter, and after that I should write here t dot set duration. So that duration is nothing but toast dot, I want it for the longer time, and then next is t dot set gravity. So that gravity I want gravity dot center vertical, that is better, and then I want to specify xy0. So this part is over, and after that I should write here t dot set view, and here you have to specify its value, that is layout, because that layout is nothing but view object, and that object represent the id and the layout file. Then finally we are in final step, t dot show. So this coding is over. Now it's time to check in the emulator. So I am starting my emulator. Click on OK. So finally the output is coming. So I should click on custom code, and you see the output is generated. It's looking good. Okay, so in this way you can create the custom toast by your own. Okay, once again I am clicking and testing. Okay, so it's quite good. So in this way I hope you understood this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe my channel if you are new in the channel. Thank you.